Hi, I'm Laura, the founder of Evolve, and I'm going to demonstrate our two-step cleansing routine. The first step is to take off makeup. I'm going to use our liquid crystal micellar cleanser. I'm just going to pop that onto a cotton pad, and I'm going to use that just to remove my eye makeup and my foundation. This is a lovely water-based cleanser. It feels really fresh on the skin. It's got a rose water fragrance. It's very gentle, you can use it all around the eye area. The reason I'm taking my makeup off before I do a cleansing massage is because I don't want to use a massage step to massage any impurities into my skin. So now I've done that, I've got some makeup on my pad, my skin's clean, and I'm ready to apply the second step. So our gentle cleansing melt is a beautiful oil-based cleansing balm. This is a brilliant product to use for a facial massage. It's an organic balm. You apply it to dry skin and it has organic rose otto, baobab oil and organic coconut oil. So the first step is to just apply it in smooth flowing motions all over the face. And as you start working with it, it melts into the skin. That's why we call it the gentle cleansing melt. So with this I'm removing any traces of my makeup, but also I'm just starting to boost the circulation of my skin. And we've developed a special massage routine that you can use with this product to really give yourself a treatment, a massage treatment. So the first step is to roll the neck. So I'm using the backs of my hand to roll the neck. I'm working upwards because that's very good to stimulate blood flow. And also we want our faces to go up, not down. So I've rolled the neck feels nice and cleansed now, and I'm going to start working upwards. So now I'm scissoring the jaw with both hands. I'm just working along my jaw bones. Now I'm moving upwards to the cheekbones, so I'm doing cheek lifting on both sides. I'm going to work in little circles around the nose to make sure I'm really cleansing those areas where you can get a build up of dead skin, and I'm doing the same around the brow. Now I'm starting to circle the eyes. And I'm going to use this opportunity just to lift my brow, just give my brow a little pinch. It's really nice and relaxing. And I'm working outwards now to the corners of my brow. I'm going to my temples, just rubbing my temples there. These are ancient acupressure points as well. So 2 points on the front of the forehead, and then these points here on the eyebrows, the temples. These points on the corners of the eyes, and down these brow points again, and then here the corners of the nose, particularly good if you have any congestion in your nose, and then here on the jaw. So I feel now I've really given myself a nice facial massage, and I'm going to start taking this off now. So as soon as I mix this with water, I've got a little bowl of water down here. This product's going to start emulsifying, so going to change from a really balmy texture to a milk which I can easily rinse off. And I don't tend to use a muslin cloth. I don't really like a muslin. I prefer just to rinse directly. But if you like to use a muslin, you can use a muslin. It's possible, and it also increases exfoliation. So if you find that your skin gets a little bit clogged up, then maybe a muslin's a good idea. If you wear really heavy makeup, then it could possibly be helpful as well. So I've rinsed now, and my skin's feeling really, really clean, but it's not feeling stripped at all because this product isn't soap-based. This is actually a sugar-based emulsifier, really, really gentle, completely natural. And it leaves your face feeling really, really smooth and moisturised and really clean. So that's how you use the two-step Evolve cleansing routine, the liquid crystal micellar cleanser and the Evolve Gentle Cleansing Melt.